Welcome on my YouTube channel IT Lab Solution. Today I am going to solve an assignment. The name of the assignment is Exp22 Excel Chapter 2 Primitive Assignment in Land Jeweler. So basically it is the second chapter of Exp2022. I am professional. I have completed all this complete course for many of my students and they got 100 out of 100 marks. If you want to do this assignment or complete course for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. So basically this assignment consists of 15 steps. I can do this assignment step by step and you can done this assignment by watching my video. So we go on our first step. Our first step of assignment is start Excel, download and open the file name exp2022 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Inland Jewelers. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So I have already downloaded the Excel worksheet that's required. So we go on our step number 2. Our step number 2 is insert a function in cell B2 to display the current date from your system. So in the second step we insert a function in cell B2 to display the current date. So we go on our Excel worksheet and in cell B2 we enter today date and put brackets, press enter. So here is the date. Our step number 2 is completed. Our step number 3 is with cell B2 selected, set the weight of column B2 autofit. So in this step we increase the weight of column B to autofit. So we go on our Excel worksheet and select B2 and in the format tab here is the autofit column. So our step number 3 is completed. Our step number 4 is insert a walk-up function in cell C5 to display the ring cost for the first student. The cost of the ring type should be an exact match. Use appropriate relative and absolute cell reference. So in this tab we insert walk-up function in cell C5 to display the ring cost for the first student. So we go our Excel worksheet and in the cell C5 we insert walk-up function. So here is the function and lookup value is this one, ring type, and the range is this one, and press F4 and press for the payment we enter 2 and false exact match and then put bracket, press enter. So here is the result that we required for the first student cost. So our step number 4 is completed. Our step number 5 is fill the function from cell C5 to the range C6 to C11. So in this tab we copy the formula down to 6 C11. So we go on our Excel worksheet and copy the formula and paste it to down. So our step number 5 is completed. Our step number 6 is apply accounting number format to the range C5 to C11. So in this tab we apply accounting number format to the range given. So we go on our Excel worksheet, select the range C5 to C11 and apply accounting number format. Here is the accounting number format. So our step number 6 is completed. Our step number 7 is Insert an if function in cell E5 to calculate the total due. If the student had chosen to personalize the ring, there is an additional charge of 5% located in cell B21 that must be added to the cost of the ring. If not, the student only pay the base price. Use appropriate relative and absolute cell referring. So in this step we insert a function in cell E5 to calculate the total due for the student. So we go on our Excel worksheet, and in cell E5 we enter a formula. We insert a function if function, and D5 is equal to T, yes, and C5 cost plus C5 cost multiply it by additional charges. Additional charges is 5%. Use F4 and the bracket, and the value of fall is C5. Press bracket and press enter. So here is the result that required for the first student total due. So our step number 7 is completed. Our step, basically this assignment consists of 14 steps. I have done 7 steps of this assignment. Our step number 8 is fill the function from cell E5 to the range E6 to E11. So in this step we copy the formula to the range E5 to E11. So we go on our Excel worksheet, copy the formula down to the range, and our step number 8 is completed. Our step number 9 is apply accounting number format to the range E5 to E11. In this step we apply accounting number format to the range E5 to E11. So we go on our Excel worksheet, select the range E5 to E11 and apply accounting number format. So our step number 9 is completed. So I have done 9 steps of this assignment. If you want to do complete course or complete assignment for you, you can contact me on my WhatsApp or my email given on the screen and also given in the description of this video.